Back at Eagle Field, I just made a pass. We'll hopefully download one of my best passes in a long time. All weekend the runs have been good. The weather's cool. Anyway, I'm gonna load those videos tonight. Here's the Tom with the police car, and both these guys were at the both of them were at the Nationals. Freeze! Hey Tom, how you doing? Randy, how you doing, buddy?
Not bad, considering.
Man, it's looking good. I just made a pass. I got that black 57 on the board. Good pass, running good.
I hope I'm the same.
Your lights hooked up?
No.
Hook them up so I get some video. That's cool. I want to hear that siren too.
My son said he'd like to do that. But
I've been hearing that for years.
Yeah, well, I have too, but he doesn't do it.
Should bring him to my house. My dad would do it. That's what he used to do when he was a cop for Los Alamitas.
Well, all I have is a bolt.
Yeah.
So I'd have to hollow out the bolt for the wire.
Well,
my son said he could put a remote one in there. Now you just push a button and it would. But
technology,
yeah, it's just electronic, not me.
Well, have fun out there. Doesn't have my slip.
Yeah, we'll bring up Dave.
Is that your 205 or 215? Which one are you?
205.
I don't.
That's not your name.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, is it?
I don't think so.
Oh, it's an R. I thought it was a K. I was walking back to you. I just didn't.
Go.
Hold on, I gotta check this out. Best run ever. Best run ever. Look at that.
You slipped a tire at the beginning just a tad, but it grabbed and went. I was going to hold your car over. You did a good burnout, but
that's right.
I thought you were going to take off. And it
No, I at that time you just make the best you can with it. Go with it. So how did you get the whole video?
Yeah.
The whole car good. Do the backup lights work?
Yeah.
They say anything?
I made sure I got your backup lights all the way.
I was asking, I wonder if they said anything. That's funny. We got the backup lights working. Yeah, she let me slide in. She yelled at me, and so that's cool.
Well, I was up there, I'm like, oh, I got a long time. And all of a sudden, I see you run down here.
It's run so good right now. The suspension is really hooked I couldn't have been more perfect timing.
I missed the damn T-Bird though. The 57 Silver T-Bird.
Yeah.
He's taking the wheels off.
Really?
Yeah.
The one sitting over here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I missed it. I saw it yesterday, but it was far away, and then today I missed it. And I was
See that Mustang sat there for about a second because he was spooling up. He was.
well, yesterday he was slow too.
Yeah, his whole suspension was loading up. Now I used to have a truck exactly like this. Oh, this key's right here? Yeah. There's Ed Iskey right there. Gotta have your windows up. I'm gonna say the pickup. He's got a 5-lug conversion. Doesn't sound like a 6. Headers. A little 5.0. If you drift, you lift.